Well, it looks like everyone's snoozing away in here. We have some 2-week-old puppies just to snoozing with their mama. Is it nap time? Okay, well, we had some really fun big changes this week. We had eyes opening. We have ears opening. Let's see if we can. Oh, big stretches. Can we see your little eyes? Can we see them? Are we gonna open them for us? Oh, big yawns. She says, well, I just don't want to open my eyes. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. They're also starting to wobble on their legs a little bit. Let's see if Mr. Yellow is gonna, oh, there he goes. There he goes. Oh, looks just like a drunken sailor. So stinking cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I bet his eyes are open. If he's up and wobbling. Are your eyes open? Oh, there they are. Hi, sweet boy. Hi, sweet boy. Let's get your siblings up here. You want to find your mama? There you go. Look at. Oh man, I hear you, dude. All right, so another fun thing that has changed is that they're starting to regulate their body temp. Also, you can see that in the last 2 videos, we had the wooden whelping box, which is now gone, and that is because the puppies are big enough and they can see mama, so we don't have to worry about Miss Emma pinning a puppy between the side and her body. They're big enough to move and big enough for her to feel them behind her. Oh, Emma just a good mommy. Oh, what are you doing? You just come over here. Are you hungry? There you go. There we go. That's a good mama, Emma. Mr. Red. He says, Mom, where are you? Hi, buddy. Where are my little girls? Oh, there's one girl. There's one girl. Where's the other? She's under here. There she is. There's Mr. Yellow. Get a nice black snout on him. Growing puppies. Look at those pudgy bellies. Woofda. But this is really honestly as exciting as 2-weeks-old gets. She's such a good mommy. She loves her babies. Just loves them. How you doing there, buddy? Huh? How are you doing there? Am I disrupting your nap? Mm-hmm. Yeah, sounds like I am. Oh, he's got a little white patch on his chest. Look at that. That's cute.